Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the NYT Cooking mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a practical tool for home cooks and recipe lovers. NYT Cooking is the official cooking companion from the New York Times, designed to help users discover, save, and prepare thousands of recipes from its vast archive. The mobile version offers easy browsing with curated collections, meal planning inspiration, and a user-friendly interface that lets you quickly search by cuisine, meal type, dietary restrictions, and more. Users can create a personalized recipe box, organize meals for the week, and generate shopping lists from selected recipes, making kitchen planning more efficient. The app also offers tips, instructional videos, and editor-curated pics to elevate your cooking experience. A subscription is required to unlock full access, but the free version allows for limited recipe browsing and basic features. Pros of NYT Cooking include its elegant design, high-quality curated recipes, and seamless organization tools for serious meal planners. The instructional content is top-notch and adds value to both beginner and advanced cooks. On the downside, the app's reliance on a paid subscription limits access for users looking for a completely free experience. Some users also report occasional syncing issues across devices, especially with the recipe box. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.